Will this mean the end of van life for me? I've created a life around freedom. I'm choosing by myself what I want to do and when I want to do it. Yet, even in a life free of obligation, some responsibilities still tag along. Like the annual car inspection. It is one of the reasons I return to Sweden every summer.
Hur pumpar jag den här? Fattar ingenting. Det fungerar den.
Ja, vad fan, vi ska komma igång. Jag får trycka till på den igen.
Now you probably wonder, Teresa, why are you under your car? Well, I have a leakage on my gearbox, and the car inspection tomorrow won't approve that in this condition, so I need to clean it up a little bit, okay? Shh.
But no matter how many times I have gone through this, and I've worked with cars, so I've done this a lot, I always feel it. That familiar knot in my stomach. My heart races, my hands are clammy, I can't really sit still. I have memories tied to these places that are hard to shake off. And now, bringing Theo here, my home, my love, my security, my everything, it feels even heavier. So that didn't go so well. I have a few things I need to fix on my little Theo. I need to fix my brakes in the front. I need to fix my parking brake. I need to fix rust. And I need to fix my lights. You know what that means? It means I need to do reparations for at least, I can imagine, at least 1,000 euros. Oh well, at least I didn't have any oil leakage, as they saw it, and could, make, complaints about, because that would be a completely different story, because that would be very, very expensive. So yeah, if you play and have fun, you also need to take the responsibility, and it's gonna cost you. Yeah. And now, guys, I am honestly at a loss. Should I invest hundreds of euros into repairs, or should I just reconsider everything I have right now in my life? I mean, how long can I actually be doing and keep up with this lifestyle? This life contains a constant thinking of the future. Like, where will I find water today? Where should I park tonight? Is Tindra safe here? Will that dog harm Tindra? How is my loved ones doing back home? It feels like I'm always burdened with the weight of, uncertainty. And coming back to Västerås, my hometown, I really feel that I need some sort of change. Something is urging me to grow, and to be honest, that frightens me, and I'm very scared of it because I don't really know how that will look. Because honestly, I have no freaking clue what I am doing. But I'm practicing to go after my instincts and my gut feeling. And it's telling me that I need some sort of change. Big or small, I have no idea. Okay guys, you have seen him before in my videos. This is Tommy. And if there's one thing I know for sure, is that you are going to see more of him back and forth in my future videos. And honestly, that makes me super excited. I feel I'm stepping into something deeper in my content, exploring what freedom truly means and how people dare to live outside of their comfort zone and the normal box. I will keep searching for inner peace and sharing the journey as honestly as I can. Because I believe when we see other people going after their dreams, it reminds me that we can do it too.